Hello everybody, Linda here from Yodgrin 2. Jimmy and I had to move all the material from this side of the build to in front of the first 48-foot wall we got up yesterday. So those are all the green zip system for the outside of the walls. And then down here, the 2x6s I cut for the 48-foot wall here on the end. And then those are headers that Jimmy's already made in the back. All this that's covered is 2x4s, a few more 2x6s, and 12-footers. So, but then those are the rest of the material to make the headers there. But that's been a fun job today. Luckily, it's been a beautiful day. So we also, the trusses are supposed to come Friday from Maine Trusses. We actually went up a couple of times and saw their operation. They're really something. They do a great job, or soon we'll find out, but I saw them making them. Jimmy made a V here, you know, a triangle that comes right to that line. And we're gonna somehow get the trusses up here and stack them right here in the middle, so they'll be out of the way of making the other 3 walls. It's pretty tricky when you're only working 2 people, but we're doing it. Okay, God bless. Have a good Sunday. It's June 11th today, Sunday. Next Sunday's Father's Day. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.